His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, Chief E. and Wike, His Excellency, the party chairman, state party chairman, Ambassador Desmond Akawa, elders and leaders of PDP here present, special delegates for this special election, electoral committee and observers, ladies and gentlemen. I honestly don't even know where to start. I wish I had planned this for 20 years. Then I would have been more prepared. But the truth about it is, grace is at work. It is not victory for Fubara. It is victory for the party. It is not victory just for the party, but moving the state forward. The purpose of this special event this night is to consolidate on the achievements on every side of this present administration. So I, as Fubara, I can't tell you I have prepared any manifesto. It's not a night of manifesto, but it's a night to tell you we are going to work together to sustain the special and wonderful things this present administration has already done for us. How do we do it? It is not victory for me. It's victory for even other aspirants. I hereby call you, every one of you, to support this cause. Victory for Fubara is victory for the party, not me. You need the party. So we just have to work, just as we have done this night, we work to ensure that the only party that we'll be hearing of is PDP in Rivers State. I want to thank God. He will bless every one of you. I honestly don't know what to say, but the good blood that has started it will complete it. God bless you all.
Thank you. Put your hands together for candidate for the gubernatorial election.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.